I'm going to show you how to change your computer language input. So basically, the language you want to type or write in. The first thing we want to do is find our settings. So click on that. You can find it another way, but that's the quickest way for me, or the easiest way. So all settings, go into that. Then we're going to look right here where it says time and language. Click on that, and then over here we go to region and language. Then we see languages right here. Right here it says you can type in any language you add to the list. On my list, I have 2 languages. So English and another language. But I'm going to show you how to add another language, and here it says add a language. So we're just going to click on that. Ta-da! The world just opened up to us. Alright, so Afrikaans, all of these things that I cannot read. And we're going to scroll down. You can type the language you want in the search box. You can find it there. But since we're just having a little fun here, we can just scroll down to see what's available. Of course, you're going to know what you're looking for, but we're going to scroll just because we can. Right? So have some fun. These are all the languages that are available. Yee! Okay, see, my scrolling just did something because I just learned something. I didn't know that was a language. Let me find a language that does not look, the characters don't look like English. How about Hebrew? Alright, so let's go with Hebrew. So I'm going to click on that. Alright, so it says language pack available. Don't touch that, that's another story. As if you want to get more advanced into this, and it's fun. I'll make another video about that. Right now, all I want to see is my keyboard. So it says to switch, press Windows key and space. You could do that, or you could just come here. Tap on the Windows key, hold it down, and press your space bar. We can toggle between or toggle among these 3. Right here where you saw English just now has now changed to Hebrew. So let's see what our keyboard looks like, what our language looks like. Alright, there you go. But I have no idea what I just typed, so if I just cussed, I'm sorry. Okay, instead of using the physical keyboard, I'm going to use the side menu here. Well, mine is not a drop down because it's to the side, so it's a pop out. I'm going to change the font size so you can see what I'm doing. Your keyboard, your physical keyboard does not change. The input changes, but you can't actually see it by looking at your hard keyboard. I don't know if that kind of keyboard exists where you can change the language input and see it on your physical keyboard, because my keyboard lights up, so that's possible. We're going to go to tablet mode, and here's my tablet icon over here. So I'm going to touch this, and then here it says English because I'm in English, so I'm going to click on that, and you can notice all of them just showed up here just the same. I'm going to use Hebrew right now so you can see the change, since that's what we just did. There we go. So it just changed to Hebrew. Let's just scroll this up a little bit, and there. So you have to use the on-screen keyboard unless you want to study the physical keyboard. Alright, so let's go back to something like you can understand. Alright, so I just changed to Russian. I could use the assistance I'm getting right here. So Just do that. Alright, I'm going to come out of this and use my physical keyboard. Okay, that wasn't too hard for me because I've already started studying it. There you go. So, start typing in another language on your keyboard. Bye!